Hi viewers, welcome back. The last video we have discussed goodwill and methods of valuation of goodwill. There are three methods for the valuation of goodwill. First one is average profit method, second one is super profit method, and third one is capitalization method. In this video we are going to discuss the third method, capitalization method. Capitalization method is the third method we are using for the valuation of goodwill. According to this method, goodwill is basically the difference between capital required and actual capital invested into the business. Okay, this is basically the difference between goodwill is the difference between capital required and actual capital invested. And the capitalization method may be further divided into two. First one is capitalization of average profit method, and second one is the capitalization of super profit method. Under capitalization of average profit method, the value of goodwill is ascertained by deducting actual capital employed from the capitalized value of average profit. The steps involved under this method are: first, ascertain the average profit, that we already know the equation. Average profit equal to total profit divided by number of years. And second, capitalize the average profit. Second step is capitalize the average profit. We can use this equation. Capitalized value of average profit equal to average profit into 100 by normal rate of return. Average profit into 100 by normal rate of return. And third step, ascertain the actual capital employed. Capital employed is the total amount of capital used for the acquisition of profit, and capital employed equal to net asset. Here the net asset equal to total asset excluding goodwill minus outside liabilities. Then we can calculate or we can get capital employed. The last step, compute the value of goodwill by using the formula goodwill equal to capitalized value of average profit minus net asset. Here net asset equal to total asset excluding goodwill minus outside liabilities, and capitalized value of average profit equal to average profit into 100 by normal rate of return. This also we can explain with an example. A business has earned an average profit of rupees 30,000 and the normal rate of return in similar type of business is 10%. Find out the goodwill by using capitalization of average profit method, assuming that the business owns total asset worth rupees 3 lakh and liabilities rupees 50,000. Here in this question, the average profit is already given rupees 30,000. So no need to calculate the average profit. Directly given in the question rupees 30,000. So we know the calculation of goodwill. The equation is capitalized value of business or capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed or net asset. So first of all, we need to calculate the capitalized value of average profit. The equation is average profit into 100 by normal rate of return. Here in this question, average profit is directly given rupees 30,000 and normal rate of return is 10%. So the capitalized value of average profit equal to average profit 30,000 into 100 divided by normal rate, then the amount would be 3 lakh. Then we can calculate capital employed. Capital employed equal to total asset excluding goodwill minus outside liabilities or external liabilities. Here total asset is 3 lakh minus liabilities 50,000. So the amount would be 3 lakh minus 50,000, 2 lakh 50,000. Then we can calculate goodwill. Goodwill equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. Here the capitalized value of average profit is rupees 3 lakh minus capital employed rupees 2 lakh 50,000. So the goodwill is 3 lakh minus 2 lakh 50,000. The amount would be 50,000. Okay. Once more, the steps involved the calculation of goodwill under the capitalization of average profit method are: first, calculate the average profit, then calculate the capitalized value of average profit, then calculate the capital employed, then last calculate the goodwill by using the formula capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed or net asset.